Everything you've been told about thread safety is completely wrong. Machine learning models used by Threads can process millions of data points in real time. They're getting better at detection every single day. Multilogin has been battle-tested by thousands of professionals for over 8 years. It's not some new tool. It's the proven solution that the industry relies on. Stay informed about Threads detection updates. Follow industry forums and communities to hear about changes before they affect your accounts. Use Multilogin's API for bulk profile creation when you need to scale quickly. You can automate the entire setup process with a simple script. You'll be able to scale your Threads operations beyond what you thought possible. No more living in fear of the next ban wave. Take action today. The link to Multilogin is